Jeff.
Good evening, candidate number 9.
Good evening, sir.
Sa may nahingos ni Moron.
What you say? Can you English, please?
Oh! Okay, just please speak your roll paper candidate number 9 and let's test what you have in your mind.
Yes.
Yes. Please. Okay.
Okay, your question is?
Okay. So you are going to expound the words clean versus green. Again, clean versus green.
Okay. As a graduate of Informatics Constellation, a high standard and a world competitor, I am a consistent honor from elementary to high school. But sad to say, me and my family went to Boracay and in a car went to me. And then I have an Alzheimer's. Can you please repeat the question?
Okay. So you are going to expound the words clean versus green.
Okay. Clean versus green.
Yes, exactly.
When we say clean, you are neat and clean. When you say green, green is a color. So why should I compare that one? It's not my business. I'm so stressed all my doings tonight. Then you're questioning me like that. You're so nonsense. I think we have extra question. Can you please?
Okay.
Um,
Did you come?
I don't like that. Oh, this one. I practiced this last year.
Okay. Diba, ganahan ka ganing paguto na. Which will you choose? Duterte versus Marcos. O diba, nagyan to kang.
Okay, so this question is very very rampant nowadays. And then, shut up, you're always laughing my answer. And I think we have different overview of our answer, so please respect my answer. If you'll not respect this, yes. So, pertaining back to the question, Duterte versus Marcos. So, both of them are backstabbing backstage or backdoor or what you want to do. But as long as, for me, there are friendship together win this election. But now they're fighting together because of the confidential funds that Bongbong Marcos cannot release the money, so that the Duterte have no money. And then, for me, the Lenny Robredo is now happy because both of them are arguing each other. But for me, we should, according to the government, that no one cannot fulfill your duties in order for you to survive the COVID-19. By that, I traveled 3 hours to be here in Valencia and no refundable sa Liti. So, malaway pa ako mga pinisti. You know what? Let's serious the question. And let's serious the answer.
Okay.
I feel both of them because the people initiative, both of them didn't have initiative. So I want to realize them that every single step that the green grass of war.
Very entertaining answer.